What do we got going on?
The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Delaware County, northern Randolph County, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Albany or near Dunkirk, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Had to turn on the light.
This is a radar indicating threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Albany around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Farmland around 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Ridgeville, Winchester, Union City, and Saratoga. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Delaware, and Randolph. This is NOAA